So when I hear innovation, I think creativity, and I think if it's not creative, it won't be successful. My name's David McDonald. I'm a professor of biology at Wichita State University. My research revolves around identifying things that are out in nature that are inherently antimicrobial. This project that we're talking about today, cranberries and honey, controlling the growth of troublemakers in the human mouth, right? That is the type of a project which would be very appealing to a student who is interested ultimately in going into dentistry, say.
I'm Dr. Alisha Prince. I'm from India. I graduated from dental school in India, and then I moved to the US and I started school in Wichita State in the Department of Biology. My main area of interest is dentistry, and my graduate professor, Dr. McDonald's main area of interest is microbiology. So we found this amazing program where we could combine both and research dental bacteria.
On the industrial side, they're interested in things for solving particular problems. And so working together, it really is a nice partnership. We check in with them. We're on the phone probably once a week. Now, of course, they have their concerns, right, which are quite different from the concerns you find in research at the university. We have ours, which is educating students, right? And these kind of weekly conversations and this whole collaboration is about bringing these two concerns together for the benefit of both. We get students who have real-world experience working with industry to solve problems. They get research from the industry, our industrial partners. They get experienced researchers using our hands to help them solve their problems.
Innovation is the future, not just tackling problems which are going on right now, but thinking ahead.